Come in.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is something they call a groundbreaker. So let me first apologize to the shirts and the ties for your makeup, cause I make you ugly. As soon as it drops, we're on a rampage. Bubbles popping up before you know it. There's rubble enough, cause we'll be pushing it up. Somebody say, yeah! I predict the earthquake up in here. Say yeah! I predict the earthquake up in here. Cause we throw bombs on it, throw bombs on it. Just smash from it, yeah, mush from it. Hey, yeah! We can make an earthquake up in here. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to witness is no illusion. And now we got the bass banging from here to Buckingham Palace. They're all moving. Hey Simon, what